start. In the rectangular coordinate system given below, the shaded region is bounded by two straight lines. Which of the following is not the equation of one of the boundary lines? See this. This is the region and this is bounded by 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. Now we have to find out, and this is the point where it intersects 0 to y-axis. Now we have to find out which is among these equations, which one does not satisfy any of these lines. So let's start. First is x equals to 0. X equals to 0 means what? It will be y-axis. So y-axis, yes, it is binding. X equals to 1. What is x equals to 1? This is x equals to 1. This is a straight line. Means it's a line parallel to y-axis. Always remember, when there is no y coordinate in any equation, it is a line parallel to y-axis, and when there is no x coordinate in any equation, it is a line parallel to x-axis. So these two satisfy. Next is this, x minus y equals to 0. Means what? X equals to y. If you take y on this side, it becomes x equals to y. Now remember the thumb rule. X equals to y is a line. X equals to y is a line which cuts at 45 degrees, means cuts origin at 45 degrees. Then only it will be fair. If x is 2, y will be 2 at this point. If x is 4, y will be 4 at this point. If x is minus 4, y will be minus 4 at this point. So x equals to y is this line which cuts the origin at 45 degrees, and x equals to minus y is this line just opposite to this. It also cuts the origin at 45 degrees, but in the quadrant number 2 and 4, and x equals to y is in the quadrant number 1 and 3. Okay. So is there any line which cuts like this at 45 degrees in this area? No. So this does not satisfy. Now last line. If you need not do this in exam, but I am just giving you for perfection. X plus 2y equals to 4. Just input the values, means put x equals to 0, you get 2y equals to 4, means y equals to 2. So this is it cuts a y-axis at 0, 2. Now put y equals to 0, we get x equals to 4. It should be 4 over here. So this line, if you put y equals to 0, x equals to 4. So this line gets x equals to 4. This point and this point, if you join these 2 points, you get this line. So it also covers this area. So what can we say is only x minus y does not satisfy. So the answer is C. Before going to next one, always remember this x plus 2y equals to 4. How to plot this line? Put y equals to 0, then you get x equals to 4. Draw one point over here. Put x equals to 0, you get 2y equals to 4, so y equals to 2. This cuts y-axis at this point. Just join these two lines and you get this point. Now you get